Okay, now before we start our fourth example, the one that starts with Jamie's house, we have a little typo that I need you to fix. We are on the fourth line right here. Mike. I need you to cross out Mike and label that Teddy. Okay, so cross this Mike out, call it Teddy. So hit pause and do that. All right. Now we're going to head down to our last question here. All right. Now we can work. Okay, so if we take a look at our fourth problem here, the big one, it says, Jamie's house is 50 yards away from Mike's house, across the street. Teddy lives next door to Mike. Teddy lives 56 yards away from Jamie. How far do Mike and Teddy live from each other? So this is kind of a beast here, but we can totally do it. Let's start with the first piece of information in Jamie's house. Jamie's house is 50 yards away from Mike. So there's Jamie's house and there's Mike's house. Teddy lives next door to Mike. So Mike and Teddy live next door to each other. Teddy lives 56 yards from Jamie. So they're like, diagonal across the street. And that's 56 yards. How far do Mike and Teddy live from each other? Okay. So if you take a look at this setup here, we've got a right triangle that's created by these four guys' houses. And my A and B are the two legs, so 50 and question mark. And then my C is 56. So we can come over to our work area and start solving. So 50 squared is 2,500 plus B squared equals 56 squared. Definitely use a calculator again. 56 squared is 3,136. Start solving our equation. I get B squared equals 636. Then we're going to take the square root of each side. And I get B is about 25 2/10 yards. So they live about 25 2/10 yards away from each other. And that's it.